Hi everyone, welcome to my new video, and this is day 6 of making video, and I'm Madhuri and I'm from Bhusawal. So in this video I will always told you I'm speaking, I'm learning, I'm practicing English language in front of camera. That's why I'm here. And friends, if you are new here and you will come with my English learning journey, so please subscribe my YouTube channel. Please keep supporting me, guys. And friends, if you know a fluent English and you know English grammar perfectly, so please tell me comment box which mistake I did while English speaking in this video. Friends, please tell me, because I need your help, I need your support, and your lovely comments encouraging me, and also I feel energetic, I feel so happy. That's why please friends do comment. Friends, there is a question is it important English grammar while speaking English? Yes or not? Friends, tell me your opinion on this question. Friends, I think English grammar is important for speaking, but not in the beginning. Let me explain some simple words. When English grammar is not important, when we are a beginner, when we want to speak English for daily conversation, and friends, all things we do, how much grammar we know doesn't matter, because friends, our first real goal is we speak in English without fear. And even friends, if our grammar is wrong, so people understand you, so don't fear while speaking, while making video. Don't fear, guys. And first priority speak English, and second priority learn English grammar. That's it. And friends, see you soon. Bye.